We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x16 hybrid dump trailer. This is built with an I-beam frame. Front, we have your jack, coupler, and safety chains. It is an adjustable coupler. We have your hydraulic box, your remote, battery. This does have 2 foot of mesh along the side, spare tire holder. The floor is pressure treated wood. You do have your loading ramp on the side. In between the dump trailer portion and the utility trailer portion, you do have the barn doors so you can utilize the whole space. This does have 2 6,000-pound axles that are greaseable with 15-inch wheels and tires. Have your black diamond plate fender. Barn door in the rear with slide out ramps that are located for travel underneath the trailer. This does have stake pockets along the sides. Once again, this is the 7x16 foot hybrid dump trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.